In front of me is POCO C55, and today I would like to show you how you can edit password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google section. Then click on All Services. Tap on Autofill. Autofill with Google and Google Password Manager. Now just click on one of your passwords that you wish to edit and enter your current login method. Following that, click on Edit button next to the delayed one and change wherever you want to. When you're done, click on Save at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my password and username has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!